We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up PFE. We are in a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to right hand side, is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows, midpoint. Also adding second level highs. And third level high. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. So monthly time frame, price action reading as a bullish green doji, like is also a push down to that bottom. So our market came back to retest and is pushing up. Current price is sitting at 49.21. So if price decides to push up further, it can tag that resistance line of 50.98 before making it there. It can tag a little bit above that price action wick of 50.07. Price decides to draw back, it can draw back to the midpoint of the SR lines, which would be nearing the numbers of 46.45. And before making it there, it can tag the numbers which would be near the price action lower body at 48.03. So if this market decides to push up from this area, is identifying the break of the third level highs. So we have the break, the retest, market pushed up, identified single top, double retest, and market came back down. So what that's identifying is that the market did break and retest. So the retest would be the first, second overall, third leg. Market came right back down. Red and green spiked that area, and market pushing up to that midpoint of that area. So if we receive the break, we can be looking for a retest of that resistance line, turn to support for that push up for a double bottom and retest of that area, which fully will create that formation of that W, where the market can just push up in bullish green candles all the way up to that top. But so anywhere around that area, as we walk down the time frame, we are looking for a retest going down the time frame. If market decides to work its way down further, we do know that market did spike that high area once for that single top. So we have a single top. Market did a double retest. So we have a double retest. The market did finally break down. First, second, third, fourth break. Market came back. Could be coming back to retest that previous area to work his way down further. So let's draw that one more time. So we do have that single top, double retest, first, second, third, fourth. Market came back to retest previous M. Market could push down from a double top and retest. Or that market can consolidate within that price action doji with another doji. Price action on the weekly time frame reading as a bullish green candle. So something that happened in this area between the second, third, and fourth to last candle. So it looked like what it did was, and we'll see closer as we walk down the time frame. So we have this SR line for the resistance. We have a support. We have a midpoint. So the market is identifying the left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder. So it's a retest area, and market pushed up. So it's coming from a head and shoulders pattern as we probably walk down the time frame and also see. So that means they're identified as in this area for that right shoulder for that break and retest, and that market pushed up. So market is trying to break second level highs of this area. So we're going to draw out second level highs, put an SR line through that. So market's trying to break a level in that area. So we're going to see if price going to push and break out. Price action is sitting within that price action wick and did engulf that second last candle body, but still within that second last candle wick. So markets can be consolidating. So that's reading the market did spike up to that high, came back to retest, and had enough momentum to push on that weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, price action reading as a bullish green candle. So we're starting to see the break of that market. So we can see that identified as, so if we think about putting another level here, which is an SR line here, second level highs, we do see that market did break, came back to return. So we'll see that first, second, third, fourth, second last candle retest, price action trying to push and break out. Now, if it doesn't, because it could still be rejected somewhere in this area, identify the overall first, second, third, and then come down with the engulfment bearish red candle and create that double top formation. Or it can continue to consolidate until we receive that breakout. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. So we are on the SR line. So we're in a little zone space. It's going to go a little bit above and a little bit below. So let's take a look at what's going on. So you can see that that market did spike that area. So this area is identified as a overall one touch consolidation. So we do have that first, second, third. Market doesn't break out, coming down with the bearish red candle for that double top. If it pushes up further, it's coming from a double bottom, which identified that market did break. So if you think about putting a midpoint between on this area here, market broke, came back to return. So it identified that first, second, third, fourth, retest, and market pushing to break out. So once it breaks out the zone, we're looking for a break, a retest for that market to push up. So it'll be in a trend direction, first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, and continue with another retest and see if it's going to push up for that third time. Walking down to the 3-hour time frame. So on the 3-hour time frame, let's clear this up a little bit. So in a 3-hour time frame, we do have price action bullish green candle. So it's breaking that zone. So we probably can be looking for a retest on that zone, on the, above the SR line, or maybe just push up as all bullish green candles and break out of that zone to retest to push up further. Headed down to the 2-hour time frame, price action small bullish green candle, very small, so it's still active. So we gotta see if that market's gonna grow to the top side of the top of that zone or come back for a retest to that midpoint of that zone. Headed down to the 1, same as well. Headed down to the 45, same bullish green small candle, same as the 30. So it's going to probably be the same as walking down all these time frames. So we got to wait until this market do what it do. So now we starting to see on a 3-minute time frame, we have a price action as a bullish green candle. So it's retesting. So what we see on a 3-minute time frame, we do see that break of that zone. Second last candle retest, price action is engulfing the previous area. So we do have a break. May follow with another retest to push up further. Walking down to the 1-minute time frame, same as well. Starting to see the price just engulfing the previous side. So if you want to break down this area, it would be a resistance, midpoint, support, and it's that overall support of what's happening. Mark identify the first, second, third, fourth. Is a retest going to happen at that midpoint to push up further? If not, we'll just see the full breakout, first, second, third, fourth, fully break out to tag that top, retest, work his way up. Very important information. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, PFE, Stock.